Welcome to Bike Shift, a space where we talk about upcoming machines, technology, and the future of two-wheeler riding. Today, we take a detailed look at the upcoming 2026 Bajaj Discover 125, a motorcycle known for economy, comfort and reliability, now reborn with a modern approach for the future. Let's explore what this new Discover could mean for the 125 cubic centimeters commuter segment. Bajaj Discover has always been built around practicality. From mileage-focused rides to daily commuting power, it earned trust for years. But with market demands rising and technology evolving, the 2026 Discover 125 arrives redesigned to fit the modern time. More premium, more refined, and more efficient, while still being light on the pocket. The heart of the new Discover is expected to be a 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, fuel-injected DTSI engine. The focus remains on strong low-end torque for city riding. Smooth throttle, better pickup, and reduced vibrations give a relaxed riding feel. A refined 5-speed transmission allows effortless shifting, especially in traffic. The tuning prioritizes mileage, making it a bike that runs long distances on a small amount of fuel. Whether it's everyday office travel, market runs, or village-to-city routes, this engine is crafted to stay dependable and economical. 2026 brings a fresh body profile to Discover. Slim, sporty, yet elegant. A sharper tank, sleeker panels, and an attractive new LED headlamp add modern appeal. The seat is longer and more cushioned, designed for both rider and pillion comfort. Lightweight chassis ensures easy handling even for new riders. Bajaj has worked to make Discover look premium while maintaining the classic commuter identity that people loved for years. The new Discover 125 may feature a fully digital console with speed, fuel gauge, trip meter, and real-time mileage display. USB charging becomes essential for modern riders, and Bajaj understands this well. Side stand engine cutoff, improved braking system with front disc option, and alloy wheels add more confidence and safety to daily use. A refined suspension setup at front and adjustable rear shocks offer a smooth ride even on rough city roads and village patches. This bike is built for those who want comfort, savings, and trust in one package. It's light, balanced, and easy to maneuver in traffic. The seat height remains friendly for all riders, making it a perfect family motorcycle. Whether used for work, study, or long-term everyday needs, Discover stands strong as a partner that never demands much in return. 2026 Bajaj Discover 125 is a comeback filled with optimism. With better mileage, improved refinement, and modern styling, it aims to reclaim its space among top daily commuters. A bike for the practical thinker, the budget-minded rider, and anyone who wants reliability with style. This was Bike Shift. Thanks for joining today's journey. Stay connected for more upcoming machines, reviews, and breakdowns. Until next time, ride safe and ride smart.